A very warm good morning to all my little children. How are you all? I hope आप सभी अपने घर में अच्छे होंगे. Now, this is a video session of which class? Science class. Okay, student. And what is the today date? Yes, today is 21. So, class, yesterday in video on Monday session, what we learn? Yes, what we learn? Can you tell me? Taniska, can you tell me that what we learn in Monday class? Yes, we learn about reproduction. Yes, and after that, what we learn? Yes, Kaniska, you will tell me what we learn in next topic. What is the next topic? Yes, very good. The life cycle of butterfly. Now, student, in today's session, first we will revise what we learned in last session. After that, we are going to learn about the life cycle of grasshopper and frog also. Okay. So, you have seen that I made a beautiful diagram of life cycle of grasshopper. Yes. Now, who will tell me? Let me guess. किसी आता होगा या किसी को नहीं आता होगा? Yes, yes. Summer, now you have to stand up and tell me what is reproduction. Can you explain me what is reproduction? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Very good, Summer. That reproduction is the ability by which living beings produce their young ones of their own kind. Yeah, very good. Now the next is Yugam. Yugam. Yes, stand up. And you will tell me in how many ways we can do reproduction. Yes, there are 2 ways. Can you tell me which are? Yes. Number 1 is by giving birth of your young one, and second one is by laying egg. Okay, reproduction 2 तरीके से होता है. Number 1 is giving birth of their young one. Number second one is by laying egg. Okay, and you know that who gives the birth of young one? Yes, mammal can give birth to their young ones. Yes, very good. And who are laying egg? Yes, bird, snake, insect, frog, fish. These all category laying egg. Okay. Now, after that we learn about life cycle of butterfly. And I hope now you know very well that what is mammal. आप सभी को पता होगा कि mammal किसे कहते हैं? Yes. Mammals are the animal who give birth to their baby, okay, young ones, okay, and they feed their baby with their milk. So that is called mammals, okay. Shall we come on next topic that we learn about life cycle of butterfly. In life cycle of butterfly, what we learn? That in life cycle of butterfly, first butterfly lay egg. Butterfly is an insect and we know that insect lay egg. First butterfly lay egg on leaf. After few time they convert it into larva, and larva is a worm, caterpillar. The same larva and caterpillar are the same thing. Okay. After caterpillar it turn into pupa. After eating so many leaves, it just cover themselves in hard case, okay, and it become pupa like this, okay. But after 1 or 2 days, the pupa start broken and it is converted into adult beautiful butterfly. Yes, got it. Now, shall we start today's topic, that is life cycle of grasshopper. But you know that what ma'am do in every session? Yes, ma'am first write down the sentence of the day. After that, yes, after that we will start our session. So first you have to write sentence of the day. Okay, student? So just take out your notebook and write sentence of the day. After that, you will continue this session. Okay, so write sentence of the day. Is your sentence of the day. That is, success is the sum of small effort, repeated day in and day out. Again, I am repeating that success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. So class, if you want success, you have to do your effort in small way and it is repeated day by day. Okay, when you will got your success, this small effort become a big effort to you. Now student, let's start today's session, and what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about life cycle of grasshopper, and grasshopper is a insect and that's why it lay egg. Now see the picture. This is a grasshopper. Okay. Other insects like cockroach, grasshopper do not hatch into larva. वो अपने बेबी को लार्वा कैटरपिलर में चेंज नहीं करते. They have only 3 stages. Okay, but they have 3 stages in their life cycle. Okay, other insects की अगर बात करें in compare to butterfly, in the stage of butterfly there are 4 stages in life cycle. But other insect like grasshopper, cockroach, there are only 3 stages. Okay, they hatch their egg. Okay, after few time it grow, it break down and just converted into nymphs. Okay, nymphs is a baby of grasshopper, but there is an absence of wings. Okay, in nymphs there is a no wings. Okay, after few days it develop their wings just like insect and it converted into grasshopper. Okay class, the molt several time before they become adult. Okay, molting means क्या होता है बेटा? ये अपने स्किन को क्या करते हैं? कन्वर्ट करते. They just change their self into their wings. Okay, वो अपने आप को चेंज करके अपने बॉडी पे स्किन डेवलप होता है और उसको कहते हैं मॉल्टिंग. ओके बेटा, दैट इज योर मेटामॉर्फिज्म भी कह सकते हैं टू चेंजिंग देयर बॉडी स्किन. ओके, एंड दे फीड ऑन देयर ओन एंड ग्रो इन बिग साइज. ओके, वो फिर फीड करते खाते हैं और फिर उनका साइज क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे बड़ा हो जाता है. सी, नेम्स इज टू स्मॉल ना in compared to the adult grasshopper. Okay, they feed leaves and it converted into bigger size. The size is increasing day by day after feeding the food. Okay, just like grass, leaf, और grasshopper का food क्या होगा बेटा? Leaves होगा, grass होगा, है ना? So this is the process of grasshopper. Okay, again I am going to explain it. Okay, एक बार फिर से मैं बता देती हूँ अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आया है. Just come. This is a life cycle of grasshopper in which grasshopper lay the egg. Okay, after few days the egg broken and it converted into nymphs. Okay, nymphs is a baby grasshopper but there is a no wings. nymphs की wings नहीं होते हैं. It can't fly. Okay, but feed on their own and grow in size. ये eat some leaves, grass, and it increases their size. After few time, it just develop their wings on their body and they molt several time before they become adult. एडल्ट बनने से पहले ये मोल्ड करते हैं. मोल्ड मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? चेंजिंग देयर स्किन. ओके, देन इट बिकम अ एडल्ट grasshopper. Okay बेटा, सेम प्रोसेस इज कम ऑन द life cycle of cockroach also. There is only 3 stage in cockroach life cycle. only 3 stages in the life cycle of cockroach. Okay, and nothing is different in life cycle of cockroach. The same process is gone. There is a cockroach. Cockroach give the lay the egg, and after that egg break and it come into nymphs. And what is nymphs? Nymphs is a baby of cockroach, and there is absence of wings. Cockroach के जो wings नहीं होते, it's mean वो अभी nymphs है. When they are developing the wings, then it come into adult cockroach. Okay, जब उनके पंख हो जाते हैं, it's mean totally वो develop हो चुके हैं, and it come on adult cockroach. Okay, but if there is an absence of wings, they can't fly without wings. Okay, so it is a nymphs. It is a category of nymphs. Okay, now shall we come on another topic, that is life cycle of frog. Life cycle of frog. Who will read this topic? I think Priyanshu, you will read this paragraph. Life cycle of frog. Okay, so stand up and read life cycle of frog. So students, be ready for life cycle of frog. And you know that frog is an amphibian. They are living in water as well as on land also. But when the time of laying egg, the frog go into water and they laid their egg in water. Okay, so let's start the life cycle of frog. Other animals that lay eggs are fish, frog, snakes, lizard, turtle. All are the animals which lay egg. Fish lay thousands of eggs in water. Fish laying thousands of eggs in water. These eggs are hatched by warmth of sunlight. Okay, the energy coming from the sunlight hatch the egg of fish. Okay, most of these animals do not care their egg, just like lizard, turtle, snakes, fish, frog. They do not care about their leg. Just lay the egg and forgot that they are laying their egg. Okay, only few of them eat many of these. Few of them eat many of these. कुछ तो ऐसे होते हैं कि इनके अंडे को भी खा जाते हैं. Only a few of 100. There are number of eggs are 100. So many eggs they lay, but only few eggs can grow into their baby. Only few. Why? Because they don't care. If you are not caring your egg, how your egg grow into your baby? It can't possible. No, it cannot. So the only few of egg can grow into baby fish. Okay. Again, other animal eat up of these. Okay. Only few of them survive to the lay the egg. Okay, student. So this is the life cycle of frog. Frog also lay number of egg. So many numbers of egg frog lay. Okay. The egg lie in a jelly-like mass in a pond. Okay. You know that frog lay their egg in water. Okay. And the egg is just like a jelly. You have seen jelly structure. Okay. Same to same, the egg of frog is also just like a jelly mass in structure, and that is in pond in water, stagnant water where the frog are living. They are just laying their egg near. The young one which hatch out from egg, that is called tadpole. Okay, the young one coming from this egg, this is called tadpole. This look like a fish. Tadpole look like a fish. The structure is similar to the fish, but they do not have leg. Okay, they have fins to swim in the water. Okay, it look like a fish, just like, okay, and they have gills for breathing. In the stage of tadpole having gills, okay, so they can survive in water, okay. After hatching the egg, the tadpole has gills which survive in their water. They have gills for breathing under water. After about 2 months, the lungs develop. See, and leg is also appearing. Okay, after 2 months, tadpole. After 2 months, the gills is disappear and lungs develop, and the leg is also appearing. And this feeding habit change the tadpole into adult frog. Okay, these feeding habit change their tadpole into adult frog. Okay, class. So this is the life cycle of frog. What is happening in life cycle of frog? First stage, the frog lay the egg, and there is number of eggs, not only 1, 2, 3. There are so many eggs they lay in water, and that is a jelly mass like structure. Okay, the egg is like a jelly mass that floating on a leg. Okay, after hatching the egg, the baby is tadpole. Okay, and that look like a fish which is having gills to breathe. Tadpole having gills to breathe. But after 2 months, tadpole converted their body structure. The legs are appearing. The lungs are going to develop. And during this process, this adult frog become. Okay. So this is the process of life cycle of frog, and this is the diagram of life cycle of frog. And what you have to do, student, you have to draw any diagram from page number 37. 37 page number में there are so many diagram, life cycle of butterfly, life cycle of frog, life cycle of grasshopper. आप ये तीनों diagram में से you will draw only one diagram in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay, student. Now you have to revise all the topic and do your homework. And I am very happy that class 4th students are most active. They are doing their work on regular basis. They are completing their work. They are just finished all the work on time, and I am so happy for this, that you are so active, so excited during your science class also and your work also. So your work, okay. So just take care of yourself, keep learning by class. Student, this is your today homework, that you have to draw any one diagram from page number 37. There are so many diagrams of life cycle. You have to draw only one diagram. Okay, class?